Yay!
Hey, it's us. We're back. We're finding Gia.
So guys, today it's
It's September 6, 2025. So we're checking in here in
BGC, the Brittany Hotel in BGC.
yeah, Brittany Hotel. That's right beside SM Aura. So
Right now, nasa parking tayo. So,
just arrived. Yeah, we just arrived here at the parking area.
and show namin sa inyo yung parking. And then,
We'll take some photos of the area first, but I think right after taking some shots, we'll be checking in. We'll show you how checking in here in Brittany Hotel how it works.
Let's go.
Let's go, Gia.
Close it.
Give the transition. So I'm outside. I'll show you the parking area here. So the parking area is only for basement 1, and I think going down is not for hotel guests. There's still a lot more for there's still more free slots for the parking. Let's go check in.
After parking, nandun tayo sa lower ground. Kung makita nyo yun yung kotse. And then, dito yung elevator.
Let's go.
Receptionist ground floor. You just have to click the ground floor. And just wait. Let's wait. I think dito ang bukas naman. Kasi dual siya eh.
So two-way ang elevator.
Go, go, go.
Ayan.
It's already 5:34 ngayon para tayo makapag-check-in. Sa dami ng errands today, ngayon lang tayo makapag-check-in. So, let's go.
Reservation for this is for 1 night stay at the
Yeah.
resort. And then the room was paid already online, so I'm just gonna be asking for security deposit. That's 3,000 per
Can we
night.
use card?
Yes, ma'am. You may use card or cash.
Card, please.
Then I'll be asking for your address. Your address will go number, signature.
Siya na, kasi under sa kanya.
Yes po. And then you have card with you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sige, I'll be asking for you to register na with the plate number.
Can I write? Pero mo na lang siya. Ano? Ano?
Gia will tap. Gia Poy Poy.
Op!
Bilis naman. Ang galing ah.
Wow. Ay, naman na. Isa pa. Ah. Put it there. Galing mo naman. Alam mo. Uy.
Wow.
Ganda. First impression.
Ganda.
Ganda ang room.
First impression above 4-star na agad.
So guys, nandito na tayo sa room. Upo. Gia, upo. Upo na rin si Gia, guys. So,
Update namin kayo.
Update lang. Update lang natin. So, nakapag-check-in na tayo. Nakapag-check-in na tayo. And then, meron na tayong keycard. Isa lang yung keycard nila. So, nandun na yon sa power. Pero yung pagpasok natin, malamig na siya. So, no need naman na, ang tawag dito. But, yung keycard is for lights lang talaga. And the other is gumagana.
Like yung aircon, pwede namang
daw
iwanan yung card.
daw.
Dahil gumahandal pa rin siya, di ba?
Tapos, yung breakfast buffet, discuss ko lang sa inyo, diniscuss dun sa sa baba, nung nag-check-in kami. So, breakfast buffet, yung type ng breakfast nila, and it's from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then, it's located at the first floor, kasi ground floor yung lobby. And then, yung room natin is 17, 18. And then, origin of Spanish first floor din from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. So, may dinner dito, pero hindi siya libre. So, may additional. Pero ang cuisine nila is Spanish daw. And then, meron tea for 2 for ground floor from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Botanica Salon, meron din daw sila dito from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Tapos gym is 6th floor from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. And then, for any query pad, just dial 100. Yun lang guys. Yun lang naman. Additional 1-3 if you have additional guests. Half pag ano.
Saan yun? Sa buffet?
Sa buffet. 1-3 siya. Meron pala tayong initial deposit na 3,000 cash deposit.
Or
You can use card for the deposit naman. And then, yun lang, wala naman na bang nakalimutan. Yung room tour mamaya na, mag-SM Aura muna tayo, which is katabing-katabi lang. Let's go. Oo nga pala, may nakalimutan ako sabihin sa inyo. Yung nakalimutan ko is yung sinabi na may pool dito sa Brittany, which is located at the 10th floor. Ay, penthouse. Eh, penthouse ba yun? Sorry. Penthouse. Yung pinakamataas, guys. Kasi nasa 17 na kami, pero mas may yung next na floor dito, which is the penthouse. And then, kailangan nyo munang kumuha ng pool voucher sa baba, sa ground floor, sa reception, bago kayo mag-pool. And then, last na, yung sa parking, bago kayo mag-check out, kailangan nyo ipa-validate muna sa receptionist. And then, para libre yung parking. And, ayun lang. Tapos, that's it. So, let's go. Let's go. Nakain na talaga tayo. Kiss mo naman.
Kiliti Gia, Kiliti Gia. Alright guys, so meron pala akong di sinasabi. So, naiwan ko pala yung SD card ko. So, always bring backup. So, nakakapag-record ako ngayon sa backup ko. Then, alright, sorry na putol. So, kunin na natin SD card ko sa baba. So guys, nakuha ko na. Here's my SD card. Always bring your backup, guys. So, pakita ko na rin yung paligid ng Brittany Hotel. So, andito tayo sa Aura. And here's the entrance. And we have an ATM here. Oh, before I forget, parking is right there. So, yung unang entrance, bago yung sa dulo kasi is parking sa Aura.
So, ano na. So, bukas, kasama natin si Insane World mag-breakfast. Surprise natin siya na tayo na may sagot ng breakfast niya. It's cost 1,300. And kapag bata, 6 to...
Half the price?
Half the price.
6 to 12.
6 to 12, half the
0 to
price.
6 free?
0 to 6 is free. So, si Gia is free. So, let's go tomorrow. Let's judge their breakfast. And I'll make some special reel for that one. Let's go.
So, we're just going to grab a quick snack. Snack.
Imagine nyo, paglabas nyo ng hotel, mall na agad. So, perfect yung hotel. Kapag, wala lang, just a quick, quick snack, quick lunch, quick breakfast, quick dinner. So, let's go.
One more.
Go, go, go. One more. One more count.
Yay! Pa na ni Mami.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Yum! Jollibee, Gia, Jollibee, oh!
Upo ka doon, upo.
Laki kami ni Mami mo sa Jollibee.
Attitude.
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 Attitude. Jollibee, sorry. Ayaw ng bata sa'yo. Kahit laki kami sa'yo.
Ayaw mo.
Dali, sama ka ni Mami.
Po. Sama, mami. O, tingin kay daddy.
Yay!
So, ito na.
Tapos na
Kakalabas
tayo.
lang natin. 10 plus na and we're going to Brittany Hotel na. Kapag
Gano'ng kalayo yun?
2-minute walk.
2 minute walk. Kasam ba? Ay, ayun! Yan na pala. Layo.
Layo, nahingin na
Layo.
ako.
We're here. Ayan na.
Ito. Wait lang.
Si Gia maglalagay.
Si Gia din. Ano ni Big?
Gusto ni Gia din maglagay. Mami, pausog ka naman. Oras na para na room tour daw, sabi ni
Oh
Gia.
my God, guys, nauna na ako sa bed.
Pagod ka na.
Mag-start tayo sa room tour ng bed. Maiba naman. So guys, umpisa natin sa bed. It's 11:30 na. Pero quick room tour lang tayo. Kasi matulog na kami. Eh, nakalimutan namin mag-room tour pa tayo. So, let's go! Let's have a quick room tour. So, Gia, samahan mo si Mami mag-room tour. Let's go!
Oh.
So, dito...
Yung buhok mo, sabog na sabog pa yung buhok mo eh.
Sorry, guys. Ayan, maisuwa ako.
Ayan.
Yan. Okay na ba itsura ko, guys?
Okay, go.
Eto na. So, meron dito tayong evacuation plan. Tapos, nandito yung power cord, mga switch light.
Power cord?
Ay,
Power, basta power ano?
power cord.
Card, okay.
Tapos, ito yung switch. Tapos, ito may do not disturb. So, hindi naman tayo, magkapa-disturb naman tayo kailangan. Tapos, sa kaliwa, merong maliit na ref. Sin pang drinks lang talaga siya, guys. And small ng mga kung anong lalagay. And may libre tayong Sprite. Libre daw to.
Ayun, tubig.
Free and libre din daw to. Complimentary din daw. So, sa baba nito, meron tayong emergency light. 2 mug. Mga free na tea, coffee, mga sugar, and coffee, pang-grade ng coffee, electric kettle, 2 mugs. Yon. Tapos, sa baba, may safety bolt. Ganyan. Tapos may mga cabinet na pwede paglagyan ng kung ano man. Dito din may cabinet. Nandito yung mga lagay ng gamit. Pwede nyo lagay. At nasa taas na part yung hanger. In case na may event kayo, pwede nyo mga sabit yan. Maraming pwedeng pagsabitan. Tapos may 2 bathrobe. Yan, may 2 bathrobe. Yan, ang lawak ng lagayan ng gamit nila. Tapos may dalawang complimentary na slippers. Tapos, dito, carpeted. Carpeted yung floor. It's a plus points. Kasi,
For kids.
For kids.
Lalo na yan,
Sobrang
walang takbo.
Tignan mo, kahit tumatakbo siya, and then madapa siya, okay lang. May
Tayo
tissue
matatakot
doon.
eh.
May tissue.
Kaya,
May
pinaglaruan
tissue.
na.
Ayan, may tissue. Tapos, meron doon lampshade and mga switch nung ilaw din. Tapos, pag nag-charge kayo tuwing gabi, pwede niya itong gamitin. Oh, meron dito. So, no need for extensions. Yan yung switch. Ayan. So, may control din. So, ito yung bed. Meron tayong 4 na unan. Makapal yung unan. So, okay siya. 4. Tapos, may king size bed. Ay, yung room na to is king, ang pinook natin sa Agoda is deluxe king room. So, makikita nyo from the word ng room na deluxe king room, ang bed ay king size bed. Ito yung king size bed. Perfect for big families. Kahit hanggang 4 kayo. Pwede dito. Tapos, sa kabilang side, nandito yung telephone. If you need assistance from the reception, you can just dial 100 or 100 for any query, any tanong, and any concerns. Yun, meron din ditong saksakan. Tapos, sa gilid, may sofa. Gusto ko yung sofa nito. May sofa dito. Parang ako kasya ako dito sa sofa. Pwede ako matulog dito actually. Ayan. Ay, 5 ako, 5'1". Saktong-sakto lang sa akin.
Ay lang, nagalang katakad.
5'1". Tapos, matulog pa ako, kung matulog kasi ako side view. So, saktong-sakto lang. Sa maliit na babae, maliit talaga. Sa...
Yan. Siyempre kay Gia, saktong-sakto. Pwede nyo pa isiksik si Gia.
Pwede ka ba siksik si Gia?
Pwede pa magsama ng bata.
Pwede pa. Dinaganon ako ni Gia, guys. Tulang.
Kiliti ka ni Mami, dali.
Daman.
Dali, tuloy na yung room tour.
Matatakot
Patingin yung...
na malaglag si Gia kasi carpet. Tapos,
dali, view. Sa view.
Tapos,
View ng ano.
meron doon table.
Ay, nakatago yung table.
Natago yung table. Tapos dito, yan ang may view, night view.
Paano natin?
City view.
Is this parang office center?
Office center. Parang
Office
EDSA.
part. Tapos parang
EDSA.
bahay part.
Bahay part na.
Ito
Residential
yan,
na
bahay
siya.
part. Ay, mag-focus. Sorry, ayaw mag-focus. Ayan, thank you. Good job. Ayan, kita nyo naman guys. Andyan ang parang residential area. Katabi natin.
Blackout curtain. Meron kasi silang blackout curtain.
Ayan, next.
So guys, ito na nga, papakita ko sa inyo yung blackout curtain nila. So, ito ay blackout curtain. In case na sobrang liwanag sa labas, hindi kayo masisinagan kasi blackout curtain nga siya. Tapos, dito may study table din. Kahit napatungan, sa nga lang siya, sa tabi ng TV. And, here's our page, o YouTube page. You can subscribe to our YouTube page, Finding Gia. So, it's a family vlog travel yun. Don't forget. TikTok, Instagram, meron din kami niyan. Yan, soon. Soon magkakalat pa tayo sa ibang social media. So, ayan, may table dito. Yan. Tapos may saksakan din. Tapos may trash can sa ilalim. Yan. Tapos pwede maglaro yung kids niya. Gia, open. Tingnan nyo, ang lawak na tong room. Your kids can play here. Let's open this. Like Gia. Gia will play here sa carpet at hindi kami matatakot na malamigan siya or anything kasi out of balance tayo. So, ayun, yun lang. So, this ends our room 2. Ay, naano ko na ba yung CR? Hindi pa pala, no? Ayun, comfort room pa pala nakakala ko. End na. Gia, kahit sa iba mo pa open. Let's go. Sa CR na tayo. Last na tong CR. Yay! Ito yung CR. So, may malaking body mirror. Kasyang-kasya ang kasing ang laki ko. So, mas malaki pa rin siya. Tapos, sa sarap nun, meron tayo ditong faucet, which is hot and cold. May hand towel, sabitan ng hand towel. May saksakan ng razor, ng blade, ng ano nyo, pang shave nyo. Tapos, body soap, hand soap. Tapos may dental kit, cotton buds, lotion, 2 baso. Oh, show them, Gia. Yay! Lotion. Okay. Next. Dito sa banyo. Oh, hiwalay yung banyo na niya.
Ang aesthetics ng tiles
Steady na. Wow! Eto ano to? I don't know what's this. Kung para saan to.
So, ano yung mga shower nila?
Ito, meron tayong shower nila. Pwedeng sabit. Tapos pwedeng handheld. So, okay siya. Tapos may minus, may plus. Alamin natin bukas kung ano yun. Tapos dito, meron silang 2 klase lang. Body wash, tsaka conditioner, tsaka shampoo magkasama na sa isang bottle. So, ang tatak is aqua. So, ayun. Hindi siya nauwi, guys. It's a refillable, body wash. Tapos, pero marami, hindi ka tinipid, di ba? Sa dito yung bowl, may bidet, check. May bidet, check. Tapos may flush. Tapos may body towel. Yun nga lang, isa lang to. Baka manghingi na lang ako isa pa kasi dapat 2. Tapos may 2 tissue. May telephone in case na may tatawagan kayo pa rin. Tapos may trash can dito. May trash can sa loob. Na may plastic. Yun lang. That's enter room tour. Malaki-laki na siya compare sa... Meron kasing 2 klase ng king room, which is deluxe king room to kinuha namin. And then, yung iba is may premium king room pa kasi. So, mas mahal lang siya ng konti. Pero, okay na. Sorry guys, so, si Gia nagugulo. Yun lang. So, this enter room tour. Gia, come here. Let's babay to the room tour. Close it!
Yung si Gia nagliligpit. Organized talaga tong batang to eh. Ayun yung nagkakalat.
Ang ganda next year. Ang daming long weekend.
Clean up. Guys, after kong matuwa, nagligpit siya. Tingnan mo. Ayan. Kinalat na naman niya. Kinalat na naman yung toys niya. Pagkahirap-hirap niya niligpit, tapos kakalat niya ulit. That was 30 seconds ago. Nung nilagay niya doon. Literally 30 seconds ago. Ayan. Gia, ano ba talaga? Natuwa na ako, pinagmalaki na kita sa mami mo eh. Gia! Clean up! Clean up time!
No!
Oh no! Alright guys, patulog na tayo. So nakapalit na ako ng damit. Sandal kahit malamig eh. So, nag-avail kami ng extra bed worth 2,000 pesos. So, inclusive na siya ng breakfast buffet. Tapos, so parang in effect is 700 yung extra bed natin. So, titest na lang ng kasama namin si Insane World kung maganda ba or okay yung bed. Gia, gusto ba mag-try? Mukhang si Gia ata gusto daw mag-try. Gia, ikaw ba? Ikaw higa?
Yes.
Si Gia daw mag-try, hindi na si Insane World. Ano na?
Yes.
Sleep na tayo. Bye-bye na. Before pala matulog. We always almost forgot to demo kasi dala namin yung moon projector para makatulog si Gia. Ayan. Look at the moon. Na sobrang laki ng ng sky namin. Sky talaga. Ayan o. Ayan. Andyan na yung aming moon. At doon na sila natutulog. Umidede na si Gia. Good night, Gia. Bye-bye. Ay, dede daw.
Bangon na tayo, Jeff, Poy. Ayan na. Alis na tayo. Ay.
Ito pa, Poy.
Good morning. Yeah, Poy. Naliga. Tara na.
Kiss mommy.
Kiss mommy. Where's mommy's kiss? Iwa. Ano? Ba't ka bumababa? Tara na.
Sarap naman ang pick up dito.
Morning. So, breakfast na tayo. Medyo late na tayo nakabangon. And then, after breakfast, mag-pool tayo saglit. Let's go. Ay, hingi muna tayo ng pool voucher sa baba. After then, tapos punta tayong gym. Tingnan natin yung gym nila. Let's go. Tingnan natin.
But before that, pakita muna natin yung view sa labas.
Wala. Ano? Ang tawag dito? Yung view. Malabo yung ano.
Ay, liwanag. liwanag. Edit na. Ay, edit tuloy.
Ayaw, kakambot.
Ayan. There's the view. So, pure residential talaga itong nakita natin. And that's Laguna de Bay. Tama ba? Laguna de Bay yun. Yes. Gia, where are we going? Down?
Yes. Umugay na si Mom.
Let's go. Get that, Gia. Get your card.
Kanya may kita ba ito, Mom? How dance, Mom?
Wala tayo.
Ganda ng tinan.
Wow. It's Shiraishi of Tokyo.
I think it's Chef's Street.
Alright, we're here. It's Origin Spanish cuisine.
So guys, may nag-held ng birthday ngayon dito. So, pwede naman tayo kumuha ng pagkain dun sa lahat. Pero hindi tayo pwede pumesto dun kasi naka-reserve siya.
Garlic rice. Uy, pansit! Pansit! Yeah, pansit. Try natin. Dilis! Try natin dilis. My favorite. We have fish. We have chicken. It's chicken. So, tayo natin. Relleno. It's chicken relleno. Then, porcino. We have beef tapa. And we have infused water. Juice. I think this is iced tea, pero try natin. What's this? Is this coffee? Yeah. Coffee milk. Alright, it's whole milk. Whole milk. Coffee. Yeah, there's the coffee. Yeah, maple soup. Honey soup. Meron tayong pancake and waffle. Yung toppings. Just natin. Yan. Potato wedge. French toast. Egg. And I think this is the egg station. Oh, we're fresh out of eggs. So let's wait for the eggs. And shots. Soka. And we have corn flakes, Fruit Loops, Coco Crunch. Konji for Gia. And this weighs too heavy. And mommy will like this, so be chaporado. I don't know if the open part will be attractive to her. And oh, these are Didis. And the pescado. And lastly, food station. Ay, dessert. Desserts din pala to.
Chia sauce.
Chia shots. Gia shots. That ends our breakfast tour.
Yay! And there's Gia, nag-start na kumain.
Uy, si Gia, naiwan mag-isa.
Ay, sorry.
Punta na natin si Gia. Alright, tinabihan ko na si Gia. Sandali lang siya iniwan ni Mami, pero kumakain naman si Gia. So, yung ko lang nakita rin, yung may breakfast buffet, tapos may nag-celebrate ng birthday, tapos breakfast buffet. May nakita rin akong photographer, so legit talaga na may nag-celebrate eh. So, ay! Gia, finish your bread first. So yun, si Mami kumukuha na ng food para kay Gia. Katulad ng tinur ko kanina, I think kukuha na niya yung congee or arroz caldo. We have omelette. Thank you. So let's get some breakfast. So Asian section, man, I almost forgot. You have yang chow, rice, sweet and sour fish. Noodle section. Alright. Chicken broth. Beef broth. Alright. What's this? Dim sum. Dim sum pa. Oh, no dim sum. Ay, nanapilan na nga. Bread station. Bibingka. Uy. So, nandito lang si Momo. Matutuwa siya sa bibingka. What's this? Okonomiyaki. We have mixed sausages. Longganisa daw. And crispy bacon, which is wala pa. Arby's. Beef pastrami. Oh. Kaya dito guys. I think ito na yung last. Okay na, nakakuha na tayong pagkain. So, ang kinuha ko is garlic rice, canton, fish and dilis. So, we have egg and beef tapas. So, simula po. I think that's start pa lang guys. So, let's eat. Gia, Si Gia kain ng kain eh, oh. Nag-enjoy. Sige, Weiwei! Ah. Good job. Let's eat. So, let's try their drinks. Laging drinks kasi mahilig ako sa ano yung minum mo malamig eh. Breakfast na breakfast malamig talaga iniinom. I think health experts would not advise na minum ng malamig lagi tapos ice pa. Pero this is my comfort drink. Huwag niyo akong gayahin guys. Dahil hindi daw maganda ito sabi ng health experts. Matabang na guys. Na-water down na ng ice eh. Late na kasi ako kumuha. Pero it's iced tea. It's iced tea. I'll try pansit. Pansit! My long time food na laging hindi mo dapat minimiss since my childhood. Masarap ng pansit. Lahat na masarap pero siyempre pag gumawa ka pagkain kukunin mo yung gusto mo. Since gusto ko yung mga kinuha ko, para sa akin, masarap lang yung mga gusto ko. That's it. So, continuation. Akala ko last na yun. Pero gusto ko lang pakita na, or i-share din, ang sarap-sarap ng ano, anything na dried fish. Para sa akin. Pusa ba ako? Parang si Mami is pusa talaga yan eh, si Mami. Sarap.
Baka bacon pa ko. Magkaka-bacon pa ko. So guys, yung ating favorite na tuyo. Meron sila.
Yung pusa kasi.
And meron din silang champurado.
Patiin. Oh, tama sinabi ko guys. Kumuha nga talaga siya ng champurado.
Kahit ube. Dapat hindi ako kukuha kasi ube.
Tama rin ako sa sinabi ko kanina.
Mag-iisip ako kung kukuha ko hindi. Pero sabi ko,
Pinag-isipan niya kung kukuha siya ng ube. Sinabi ko na yun eh.
nakita niya na, alam niya na mga hinahanap ko sa breakfast. May tuyo, tsaka may champurado. Pero perfect din tong combination dalawa kasi maalat yung tuyo. As a Filipino, dapat alam mo yung combination ng dalawa. Charot lang. Hindi naman lahat prefer yan. Pero, more likely pa yun. Yun lang. Yay! Nag-enjoy ako ngayon sa breakfast. Magkain na. Ang dami! Gusto mo tikman?
Pusa yan eh.
May suka din. May iba't ibang suka sila. What do you want?
What do you want, Gia?
Egg.
Alright.
Hala. Sige po, paki ano na po to. Si Akay. So guys, sabi nila, kasi wala tayong nakita na ang tawag dito, access sa normal elevator papunta sa penthouse tsaka sa gym. So, dun pala yun sa kabila. So, turn right, then turn left, then may elevator doon, and then you go to 6th floor and penthouse. Gia, where's your sleepers? Thank you. Where's your sleepers? Oh, you wear your sleepers. Oh, how to wear your sleepers. That's not it.
Alright, so yung elevator is dito sa may T42. Nandun lang yung reception. So, dito lang. So, here's the elevator. Ayan, may 6. At may
Sabi naman ng elevator dito, ibang elevator na nga.
bouncing elevator.
May pipindutin ba ba?
Okay na.
Okay na, 6th floor.
Okay, so let's go to the 6th floor.
This is mostly an empty room. Pero I can already see the fitness center. Right there. Pasok. Oh, yan pala. Oh.
Siyempre lang ito ba?
Ano lang aga-aga mo mag-exercise, Gia? Gia, play. Playtime basketball. Fitness ball yan, Gia. Fitness ball. Oh, carpeted din yung floor, no? Wow! Pong!
Oh my God. Nakalimutan ko yung swimming. Ang swimming ni Gia. Mag-swimming pa naman tayo na. So, buti na lang. Katabi natin ng SM. So, bibili na lang tayo. Si Daddy galit. Pero ako, solusyon ta lang. Solusyon na lang yung gagawin natin. Let's go. Bibili na ako. Bye-bye. Daddy, ako your daddy. Swimming na tayo.
Oh,
Nagyan.
Bakit?
Call mo na si Daddy mo.
umiga na si Daddy. Swimming na?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Swimming pool.
No, do not press anything.
Bababa muna tayo, then naakit tayo ulit.
We're just going to ask the reception if we can extend or not. How much or if it's free or not. Let's see.
Alright, second elevator. Jimmy, wait! Ay.
Ang dami, son.
So, wala silang pool towel, no?
Wala silang full tower.
You have to bring your...
hotel towel dun sa room nyo.
Ano lang po? Philippines! Ito ba? Ito, ayun! Let's go, Gia! Oh, no pets allowed.
Pinapakalaga ko ni Gia. Walang tiwanan na. Pinapakalaga ko ni Gia. Up. Up na dali. Up.
So ayun, nasa penthouse na tayo. So full hours is 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Exclusive for residents and guests. So tayo yun, guest. So ingat lang, no lifeguard on duty. So itong rules, walang unaccompanied children. Shower muna, wear proper swimwear. No diving, running, no rough play, no smoking, no littering, no food and drinks. Alright, ito ang itsura ng penthouse. Sa taas na tayo. Here's the penthouse and the pool. And here's outside. Swimming na sila! Shower muna kayo. Solo natin ng pool.
Lagi sure pa ng
4 feet yan. Tonto si Gia, poy poy.
Ano tayo sa infinity pool? Aray ko.
Oh no! Oh, lublob? Lublob?
Akala ko na dito. Wow.
O, isang lublob. Dali, isang lublob. 1.
3, go!
Oh, harap naman sa akin, harap naman sa akin. Isa pa. 1.
2, 3, go!
Bulaga.
Later.
Hoy! Siya poy-poy!
Nakalock mo yung ano?
Ah!
Super lock mo yung charging.
1, 2,
Jump, jump.
3.
Go! No!
Ang sakit ng kuko niya. Let's go, let's go, let's pakita natin. Yay! Say hi. Hi, swimming.
Swimming si Gia! Kiss mami. Aray ko! Aray ko!
Kiss. Kiss mo na.
Kiss na kami Gia.
Oh, babitawan ka tayo, di mo ako ni
Bebetawang ka, sige, bebetawang.
Babitawan ka.
Yay! Ito tayo, ito tayo.
Yay!
Yay!
So guys, check out time na. So kaka-check out lang natin. Nag-extend na. So yun. Pag pare mga at hanggang ko daw it's 5,000. And later, nakiusap na din ako na yung parking namin is hanggang mamaya sana kasi punta pa tayo SM Aura and another good activities guys. So, mag-bake ba tayo?
But before that,
But before that,
don't forget to use our Agoda promo code.
finding Gia.
So, we'll leave our future selves for the review ulit.
Pero yung review namin this time, I think i-improve na namin siya, guys. Para sa
Watch out for our improved review.
look out, watch out for a better us. Right, bye.
Bye! Hello!
Hello.
Dala ko yung Sprite ko. Nabigay nila.
Ganun kami yung parang dyan. Kita.
Hindi ko kita. So, welcome back sa ating hotel review.
Yeah.
This time, we're going, organize kami sa aming review dahil yung huli namin review is sobrang haba at inabot na ng 1 hour yung video namin. So, we had broken down at we had taken notes tapos at na.
So, yung una, location. So, if you're going to ask the location, it's very good. And it's good if you're going to SM Aura or BGC para iwas traffic. And then, ingat din sa traffic. Kasi
Ingat din sa traffic because, alam niyo naman, going to, this area is very dependent on cars or public transport. So,
Pero pwede ka rin
expect traffic.
mag-jogging ka kung you're into jogging kasi BGC is walk-friendly, talaga.
Not friendly and photo-friendly.
Photo-friendly
For
area.
photographers like us. Right?
So yun, next, amenities. Pagdating sa amenities, isa sa mga nagustuhan ko yung infinity pool. Kasi, pero parang kahati mo dun yung the residence BC City. So, bibigyan ka lang ng pool voucher para makapag-swimming ka dun sa taas. So, well accounted yung mga tao.
There's like a bit of a hassle lang dahil if you're coming from the upper floors, you have to go down to the ground floor, then transfer to the other elevator, then go up again to the topmost floor.
Yeah.
Then, fitness center.
Pero kailangan nyo rin pala magdala ng towel, ha? Ayun,
Oh
don't
yeah,
forget.
bring your pool towel,
Hotel
room towel with you.
Tapos malamig yung water, hindi siya heated guys. Kaya despite na tanghali, sobrang lamig ng tubig. Pero okay naman.
Yeah,
Yes.
fitness center.
Fitness center, parang isang malaking conference room.
There's no one using the.
Meron isa, pero
There's-
isa lang siya.
Yeah, it's barely being used by
Yeah.
anyone, right?
And kompleto naman yung gamit. So
So if you
So,
want some
if your routine talaga na mag-exercise,
Yeah.
good job. Kasi meron silang it's between 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Pati yung pool, ganun din. Tapos, cafe, nasa ground floor, meron sila ditong The Road. And sa taas, meron silang T42. Meron din ground floor yung T42. So, dalawa yung nila dito. Kainan or coffee shop nila. Tapos yung breakfast buffet, dun yun sa taas.
Or sa floor 1.
Sa floor 1.
Dito floor 1, pero
Dito ang tawag, parang second kung tutusin.
pero second floor siya. Ganun.
Kasi dito ang tawag nila ground floor. So, yun yung first floor nila. So, free parking tayo. Need nyo lang pa-validate bago kayo lumabas. So, nakiusap kami kasi di ba check out natin ngayon.
Yeah.
So, mamaya pa tayo uwing gabi. Sabi niya, later na lang i-validate para makalabas. Tapos libre. Yan. Hindi tayo lilipat ng aura pa.
Just to avoid confusion, there's 2 entrances in this area for parking. One is for SM Aura and one is for Brittany.
So,
So,
if you're going to Brittany,
Take the first entrance,
yeah.
not the
Second.
second one.
Then next, the room. I like the room. It's very aesthetic. And
The room itself is very spacious. And
spacious. Bed, pinaghalo ko na yung bed and bed. So, the bed is big. For a king size, big talaga siya. Tapos, meron ding sofa. I like the sofa. For chill before you go to bed. If you're not yet sleepy, you can go there. And then, next is, may Sprite sa room, right?
yeah, Sprite. I think it's different for different rooms, right?
Yeah.
I think I saw someone having Coke Zero.
Okay.
So they're giving out different
Types
zero,
of soda.
different types of soda, but zero sugar.
I like the color palette ng tema talaga nila. So, very nature. Kaya, parang
Their color palette is like brown,
brown team white. Yeah. And then,
coffee like,
coffee like.
coffee team like.
I like, gusto ko din yung may apat silang unan. Yeah, like,
They are not very, they are generous on giving their pillows.
and the carpet. Plus points kasi like us, we have Gia. So it's so very plus point for us.
For
Kasi
child friendly.
very child friendly kasi ang carpeted eh. Tapos, yun lang, meron kaming cons which is the view. The view is not that good. Residential yung napunta sa amin as in super, diba?
The view is only residential and there's a big building blocking your view,
Yes.
which is SM Aura itself.
And then next, the breakfast na tayo. The breakfast, maasikaso yung staff. I love the staff. If may need kami, talagang binibigay naman nila.
And they serve it at our table, right?
Yeah. May special request kasi ako nung nakaraan, kanina. Tapos pinagbigyan naman nila. Nagpaluto talaga sila kasi parang di sila niluluto nun. Tapos maraming variety din naman. Mas better sa iba, pero gusto ko kasi marami siyang variety.
Well, for its price, they should have different varieties.
Kasi costly siya. It's 1.3.
Well, you get what you pay for.
Yeah. Tapos, kakaiba yung interior niya para sa akin. Kasi, normal yung buffet, parang, parang, hindi iba. Kasi siguro may halaman. Hindi normal sa akin yung may halaman na nag-breakfast buffet.
Oh, I didn't notice that.
Meron
Really?
siyang halaman.
Really?
Yeah. Kung
I was too focused on the food.
Yeah. Parang, parang coffee project talaga yung style niya.
Yeah, I agree. It feels like coffee project.
Parang nag-dine-in ka sa coffee project.
Well, I
na
guess
nagbuffet ka.
it's owned by the same company.
Yeah,
right?
it's owned by the same company. So, yun lang. Ako, para sa akin, it's a 4-star na talaga.
Yeah, I agree.
I think it's a 4-star. It's deserved the 4-star. For the price and sa makukuha mo, it's a 4-star hotel for us.
So, guys,
Thanks for watching.
So, mabilis na lang aming review talaga ngayon. So, don't forget, to use our Agoda promo code
Finding Gia.
Finding Gia to get
And-
additional discounts.
And then that's it. That's it.
So don't forget to like and share and subscribe and leave a comment if you are,
And watch out for our
if we have
next reviews.
if we have missed something out on this hotel. So watch out for our future reviews, tips, or other room tours and
Another-
general reviews.
Yes. See you on our next trip. Bye.